Okay guys, so for a while now, I have heard people can't make thumbnails using their iPhone and everything. But if you're like me and you're very creative, then you're just gonna need a couple applications to do this and it'll be just fine. If you have a custom thumbnail or just a picture you want to add, maybe go into YouTube Studio, find the desired video that you want a thumbnail for, and let me show you. I'm gonna make a thumbnail for this video, and I'm gonna put it as a thumbnail that I haven't done a thumbnail. So, you can actually pick moments from the video, which is really kind of cool. So I could have it at this one and everything, or I could do a custom thumbnail where I go into my photos and find a picture of me that I like to use or something. In this case, maybe this picture, but it is too big, so we're gonna have to go for another one. Let's get this one a baby face. She's not in the video, but she's cute and adorable, and I love her. So once you do have your thumbnail, and you can customize them with a bunch of other customizable apps, maybe put text or something like that and customize it. But now we're gonna click save and save again, and the video's thumbnail will be saved. And it's so amazing. This app is just so great. Saving changes. So there we go. And this video automatically came out, so like it was amazing to have out. So yeah, and that's how you instantly and very quickly can customize, or well, not customize, but make your own thumbnail using the iDevice or on a phone. It's very easy. I've seen a lot of people talk about the fact that there's not really a way to make a thumbnail, but there is. You just gotta know the tricks. So thanks for watching, guys.